Tell me, Emma. Right. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, RLVP. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. P naught minus PS by P naught is equal to, finally what we get? Mole fraction of solute, akkada nunchi weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into molecular mass of solvent by weight of solvent, called RLVP. What about second one? Elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point can be denoted by delta TB. Delta TB equal to I into KB into molality. Actually, here also we are using IM when dissociating solutes are there. ఎప్పుడైతే dissociating solutes like NaCl, KCl, K2CO, K2SO4, etc. are there, we should always use I. I is the 1/2 factor. Next, third one. Depression in freezing point. Delta TF. That is I into KF into molality. And fourth one, that is last one, most important one, osmotic pressure pi equal to I into C into S into T. See, all these are colligative properties, nothing but properties of dilute solutions, which are depends on number of solute particles. Chapali depends on number of solute particles or concentration of solution. Or concentration of solution. Or concentration of solution, right? Let's copy it, Amma. I into KB into small m, molality. Molality. And delta TF is equal to I into KF into molality. Osmotic pressure pi is equals to I into C into ST. Or Next one. For example, if we are having solutes like NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4, Na2SO4, right? Now all are having equal concentration, 0.1. Now our first question, which one is having highest osmotic pressure? Out of these three, first one, which one is having highest osmotic pressure? All colligative properties are directly proportional to what you are writing. All colligative properties are directly proportional to number of solute particles or concentration of the solution. Tell me how many solute particles are there. For example, if NaCl is given, when NaCl dissociates in an aqueous solution, water, it gives how many ions? 2 ions. How can you tell me 2 ions? NaCl dissociation to give Na plus and Cl minus. Total number of ions are 2. Right? All colligative properties directly proportional to number of solute particles. So which one is having highest particles? For example, if you are having Na2CO or CaCl2, CaCl2 gives how many ions? Ca plus 2 and 2 chloride ions. Ca plus 2 and 2 chloride ions. How many ions are there, Amma? Total number of ions are 3. Total number of ions in NaCl 2. So out of these two, which one is having highest colligative property? CaCl2, because of number of solute particles are directly proportional to colligative properties. Previous year neat question, simple questions వస్తాయి ఇలాంటివే. అసలు క్రిటికల్నెస్ అనేది ఉండదు, ఆల్ సింపుల్ ఉంటాయి అన్నీ కూడా. క్లియర్ అమ్మా? నౌ టెల్ మీ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, which one is having highest osmotic pressure? Na2SO4, because of Na2SO4 on dissociation to give Na2SO4 on dissociation to give ions. What they are given, Amma? How many sodiums? 2 Na plus SO4 minus 2. Total number of ions are 3. So total concentration becomes 3 into 0.1. It becomes 0.3. For any KCl and NaCl, 0.2. 0.1 into 2. NaCl on dissociation to give Na plus Cl minus. So 2 ions into concentration, 0.1, 0.2. Right? Now next question. Which one is having, next to B. So which one is having low vapor pressure? Yesterday we discussed it is also. Which one is having low vapor pressure? See, Emma, I am giving you a hint, that is see, Emma, vapor pressure directly proportional. 1 second. Vapor pressure and freezing point. Vapor pressure and freezing point are inversely proportional to number of solute particles or concentration of solution. Vapor pressure and freezing point inversely proportional to number of solute particles or concentration of the solution. Is this clear, Amma? Now tell me, Amma, vapor pressure. If number of solute particles are more, vapor pressure is less, or concentration of solution is more, vapor pressure is less. Once copied this formula. How boiling point related to solute particles? Boiling point ఎలా రిలేట్ అయి ఉంటుంది? Directly proportional to, right? For example, we only take pure water. Boiling point of pure water 100 degrees centigrade. Now add some salt to pure water. Now check the boiling point. It is greater than 100 degrees centigrade. Why boiling point increases? Because of we are adding non-volatile solute, NaCl. Number of solute particles increases. solute particles occupies the surface of the pure solvent. Answer is low vapor pressure. Low vapor pressure means which one is having highest concentration? Na2SO4. Because of here 2 plus 1 ion. Total number of ions in 3. So 3 into 0.1, 0.3. Here how many ions are produced by KCl? 2. 0.? 0.2. So more is the concentration, less is the vapor pressure. Answer is Na2SO4. Now I am giving another question. Copy it. Again, same. .1 molar urea this is A. B is 0.1 molar LiCl and C is 0.1 molar AlCl3. AlCl3. In which first question, which one is having highest boiling point? The model previous year lo repeat ayindamma. Which one is having highest boiling point? Which one is having highest boiling point? Vidadiyandi concentration kanukondi. Reverse. Boiling point directly proportional to solute. Number of solute particles. Just we discuss now. Boiling point, write their point. Boiling point directly proportional to number of solute particles. Which one is having highest boiling point? AlCl3. Who is the? Which one? Sure. Concentration. Find concentration. 0.1 into particles. How many particles are given by one molecule of AlCl3? 4. Ela cheptunam 4. AlCl3 and dissociation to give Al plus 3 plus 3Cl minus. అన్ని కాపీ చేసుకోము చిన్న రాసుకుంటూ ఉంటే అవే వస్తుంటాయి. How many ions are given by one molecule of AlCl3? How many ions? Total ions ఎన్ని వచ్చాయమ్మా ఇక్కడ 1 Al and 3 chlorine. Total 4. 4 into 0.1 that is 0.4. Now what about LiCl? LiCl lithium chloride and dissociation to give Li plus and Cl minus. We practice చేస్తూ ఉంటేనే వస్తుంది చేసుకో డైరెక్ట్ గా రావు Li plus and Cl minus. Now I will take total number of ions 2. What about concentration? 0.1 into 2 0.2. Is glucose, urea, sucrose, fructose are dissociated into water? Okay. 1 because of they are not dissociated. They do not form clear solution. They are not completely soluble. శివ అర్థమైందా? వాటర్లో గ్లూకోజ్ వేస్తే ఏ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది? క్లియర్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుందా? Take one glass of water, add small amount of NaCl salt, we get clear solution or not? But add glucose యాడ్ చేసాడమ్మా, ఒక గ్లాస్లో వాటర్ తీసుకొని గ్లూకోజ్ యాడ్ చేయి, ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? క్లియర్ సొల్యూషన్ రాదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా, అంటే ఎవరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేదు అది. గ్లూకోజ్, యూరియా, ఫ్రక్టోస్, సుక్రోజ్, some carbohydrates do not form clear solution, they do not completely dissociate into water. So take again 0.1 into 1, 0.1. What about concentration of urea now? 0.1. What about LaCl? What about AlCl3? 0.4. Now how boiling point related to concentration? Directly proportional to. So boiling point is highest for which one? AlCl3. Now tell me question number 2. Boiling point, less boiling point. Which one of the following has low boiling point? Answer is Shiva. Answer is, tell me Emma. Why urea? Because of less number of solid particles or concentration, resultant concentration. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. Next one. Which one is having highest freezing point? No? No? Which one is having highest freezing point? Freezing point, how freezing point related to inversely proportional. అంటే concentration increases, freezing point decreases. Here I am asking highest, దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఉందని అడిగి. So tell me దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది? Concentration is low for urea. Yes, Amma. Very good. Next one. Which one is having highest vapor pressure? Same. What about lowest vapor pressure? Why? High concentration. Clear, Amma? Now do question number 3. A 0.2 molar solution. 0.2 molar solution of KCl freezes at minus 0.68 degrees centigrade. If K for H2O is 1.86, the degree of dissociation is ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి ఇక్కడ? ఆల్ఫా కనుక్కోవాలి. ఆల్ఫా కనుక్కోండి ఏం కావాలి? వాట్ వి రిక్వైర్డ్? యూ వాంట్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఆల్ఫా. ఐ కావాలి. ఐ కావాలి. ఐ కావాలంటే ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? అయ్యే కనుక్కోవాలి. సో concentration is given. A 0.2 molar solution of KCl freezes at 0.68 degrees centigrade. If Kf for H2O is 1.86, the degree of dissociation of KCl is another. So what do you require formula? Delta TF is equal to I into Kf into concentration. Sometimes they give concentration also in terms of molarity. Don't worry. How can we write delta TF? Boiling point of solvent minus boiling point of solution equal to I into Kf into molality. What about freezing point of water? 0 degrees centigrade. 0 minus of freezing point of solution is given. Minus into minus. Can I write directly? 0.68 equal to I into whatever Kf 1.86. Concentration 0.2. Now calculate my value. How much we get? I equal to calculate, do it fastly. We get 1.82 equal to 1.82. So what is relationship between degree of dissociation and I? Degree of dissociation is I ki relation. Very good. I minus 1 by n minus 1. సరే ఫార్ములానే కదా రిలేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏదో ఐ ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? 1.82 మైనస్ 1 డివైడెడ్ బై 2 మైనస్ 1 ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ 100. ఎప్పుడు కూడా పర్సెంట్ అంటే 100 మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 100 ఇనిషియల్ ఇస్ 82%. కాపీ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ Which one of the following solutions have highest boiling point? చెప్పండి. Why KNO3? NuDSO4 gives how many ions? Now tell me. KNO3 gives? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. ఆన్సర్ ఇది Na2SO. అలా డిసోసియేట్ చేయాలి మీరు. Percentage of ionization of salt means degree of dissociation of salt. 0.1 molar aqueous solution of MgCl2 at 300 kelvins is 4.92 atmosphere. What will be the percentage of ionization of salt? Actually, question is not like this. The osmotic pressure of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of MgCl2 at 300 kelvins is 4.92 atmosphere. The osmotic pressure of the osmotic pressure of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of magnesium chloride at 300 kelvins is 4.92 atmosphere. What will be the percentage ionization of salt? Which means calculate alpha. Or degree of dissociation all are same. Formula you should use here. Very good. Pi is equals to I into C into S into T. I is given 4.92. We should calculate I because of degree of dissociation. If you want to calculate degree of dissociation, we must calculate first I. Concentration 0.1. How much am I S? 0.0821. Why we are taking 0.0821 only? Why not we take 8.314? Depends upon units. into 300 kelvins. Now what we get here? Total one. Hmm. 24.6 into 0.1. 2.04. 2.42. 2.42 divided by 4.92. Half 2 approximately. 2.2. నువ్వమ్మా పూజ దగ్గర ఎంత వచ్చింది? 2.2 or 2? 4.92 by 2.46. So equal to 2. This is dissociating solute or associating solute? Dissociate outunna, associate outunna? Dissociate. Into in how many ions? MgCl2 dissociation to give 3. MgCl2 gives to Mg plus 2 plus 2Cl minus. How many ions are there? 3 ions. So degree of dissociation equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1. I is 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 2. Right? Means yes. 0.5% of alpha equal to 3. The degree of dissociation is 50%. Calculate the osmotic pressure of 5% of solution of cane sugar at 15 degrees centigrade. Sucrose 342 molecular mass. C12H22O11. Molecular formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. Molecular mass is equal to 342 grams. Which formula you should use here? Pi is equals to C into S into T. 15 degrees centigrade means how many kelvin temperature? 5% of solution. Actually, it is 5% of weight by volume. 5% of weight by volume means 5 grams of sucrose is present in how many milliliters of solution? 100 ml of the solution. 5% of weight by volume means volume is 100. 5 grams of sucrose is present in 100 ml of solution. 5 grams of sucrose is present in 100 ml of solution. 5 grams of 100 ml of solution. Now, how can we write C? Number of moles by volume into S into T. Number of moles, how can we write number of moles? Weight by molecular weight again. I equal to weight by molecular weight into 1 by volume in liters into S into T. Substitute in this formula. ఎంతమ్మా 0. I equal to weight is 5 grams. Molecular weight is 342. 1 by 0.1 liter. S is 0.0821 into temperature 273 plus 15. 288. Calculate it. Answer. Five % of solution of cane sugar means 5 grams present in 100 ml of solution. Constant number 5 grams of sugar or sucrose present in 100 ml of solution. నువ్వు ఆ రోజే వచ్చు. నేను చెప్పను స్టాక్యుమెంట్ చెప్పను బేసిక్స్ మళ్ళీ once again starts from